Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI, and unfortunately, we all make mistakes. But fortunately, if you make a mistake when you're writing, the Papermate liquid paper is there for you. So this stuff is really useful to keep on hand, especially if you write a lot of notes and you make a mistake, you can very easily white it out and keep on going. So I like this a lot of times if you're filling out like an application or something and you just have that really tiny little box and you make a mistake, then it's hard to scribble it out and have space. So this is perfect because it will just white out over the mistake and then you can write on top of it in just a few seconds. So it dries really, really quickly and it leaves you a new writing surface. So the tip on this is a little sponge, which I like because you can just dab on what you need and then in just a very short time, it is dry and ready for you to write on. So this lasts a long time, it's very effective, and that is my point of view.